This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Jamaican policewoman Shelly Allen was officially indicted on Tuesday by a South Florida grand jury with importing cocaine into the United States with the intent to distribute the illegal substance, some of which were allegedly found in her vagina and stomach. If convicted, she faces up to 40 years in prison on each count. Allen was suspended from the Jamaica Constabulary Force following her arrest earlier this month in Florida in connection to lottery scamming and drug trafficking offenses. A 10-year-old is among 3 boys in police custody following the death of a mentally ill man in St. Elizabeth on Tuesday. Superintendent Dwight Daly, head of the St. Elizabeth Police, confirmed that they are proving the man's death. ORAP understands that the man was injured in his community and was taken to the Black River Hospital, where he succumbed while undergoing treatment. Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith says the government had made a special offer to assist Jamaican students in Ukraine seeking to return home, and that ultimately no student had utilized it. Johnson-Smith said that an offer of assistance was sent on February 12 for an airfare loan agreement, where the government would book and pay for the tickets for return to Jamaica. The government will shortly tell the country how the entertainment sector, which has been shuttered for nearly 2 years as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, will be reopened. Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave this assurance on Tuesday as he addressed a media briefing at Jamaica House, where he announced a further relaxation of the COVID-19 protocols. Holness further stated that the Minister of Local Government, Desmond Mackenzie, will be coming shortly with a plan that is being contemplated as to how the entertainment events will be treated. In international news, former President Donald Trump's social media app that he hopes will rival Twitter launched on Monday as he seeks a new digital stage to rally his supporters and fight big tech limits on speech, a year after he was banned from Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. His Truth social app was offered for download on the Apple App Store to a limited number of subscribers who had pre-ordered. Others who were added to a waiting list are to be given access over the next 10 days. The site encountered technical glitches shortly after launch, with reports that subscribers were shut out for hours. Others had trouble signing on. The site is not expected to be open to anyone who wants to download it until next month. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.